Okay, this patient has a severe bunion on the right foot. She decided to do the right foot first, and then we're going to come back and do her left foot. It's interesting because she also has a smaller deformity on her toes. So she has the bunion deformity and she another deformity on her big toe, which I'm going to show you guys right now. So here is the deformity I was talking to you guys about right here. So even if we fix her bunion over here, she still has a bend toe right here. So this toe will always be butting against the second. So we're going to also turn this. So straighten the toe and also get rid of the bunion. On the x-rays, as you guys can see, the joint is jackknifed. We're going to make it bone cut right below the sesamoids, or where those two little balls are, and then make a cut and push it in and then straighten out the toes. Resect a little more of the wedge. Once I do that, then it falls into place perfectly. Let's see. So this is it. That was our procedure. It took a little longer because we had to make an extra cut, but I think it was well worth it because now her toe is nice and straight, and her bunion will look a lot better in a week because she still has some swelling here. The bunion was pushing the skin out, so this has to just settle back in, but looks really good.